that helps to cover up a lot of things that she does because she goes so hard and puts herself to what she's doing.
UConn wants to run. Nurse drives off the left and foul.
In terms of being ready, contributors, and to do some things, she's pretty far ahead of most of the freshmen getting back.
Still to come on the Gino Oriana Show.
We're almost to this interview and I haven't asked you about Brianna Stewart yet.
Yeah, that's good.
Why?
Well, because
Plus,
I don't know that we'll ever have an experience like that again. I'm getting chills right now. Not one person left, to the point where I had to have the kids come back out.
Associate Head Coach Chris Daly takes us back in time when she shares some of her favorite moments from Gamble Pavilion.
SNY.TV, the ultimate blog network, featuring a continuous flow of sports news. SNY.TV, your online all things New York sports.
That's funny.
check out ChicoAir.com. Chico Air offers the fastest way to compare and book over 450 flights worldwide. With Chico Air, you can travel